Did you know there is a rare temple in India dedicated to Matsya Avatara? Welcome to the Dashavatara temple series. In this video, we shall tell you about a rare Matsya Narayana temple, Sri Vishnu's Avatara. The Matsya Narayana temple in Andhra Pradesh has a unique vigraha of Matsya Avatara with Sridevi and Bhudevi on his either side. In fact, such vigraha is not found in any other temple in Bharat or the world. According to the Sthala Purana, the history of this temple goes back to the beginning of the universe when the Vedas slipped from Brahmadev's hands and were stolen by demon Somakasura. To restore the universal order, Sri Vishnu Bhagavan took the Matsya Avatara, entered the ocean, fought Somakasura, defeated him and brought back the Vedas. After completing this task, the Lord rested at Nagalapuram, which is why he is worshipped here in the Matsya form. The deity here is called Veda Narayana, Sriman Narayana, the savior of the Vedas. Another important episode linked to this temple is the history of King Satyavrata, one of Manus. When a small fish appeared in his hands during Sandhya Vandanam and appealed protection, he protected it. Soon, the fish grew larger, outgrowing every container it was put into. Finally, Satyavrata Manu took the fish to an ocean where Sri Vishnu revealed himself and warned him about the upcoming Pralayam. Following the Lord's instructions, Satyavrata boarded a large boat with Saptarishis, seed of plants, pair of animals and Vasuki. Sri Vishnu reappeared as the giant Matsya and guided the boat safely through the dissolution of the world. The deity in this temple is incredible and rare. The lower half resembles a fish while the upper half shows Sri Vishnu holding Sudarshana Chakra. Temples dedicated specifically to the Matsya Avatar are extremely rare, making this one a true gem. The Vijayanagara style architecture adds another layer of historical wonder to this temple. One of the temple's most astonishing features is the Sunlight Festival. Every year for 3 days in March, the setting sun's rays falls directly on the deity, first on his feet, then chest and finally on the forehead. A marvel of astronomy and ancient engineering. No one is able to understand how this has been blended into such precision. So whether you are a devotee or a history enthusiast, a spiritual seeker or simply curious, Veda Narayana temple in Nagalapuram is a hidden gem, a place where devotion, architecture and astronomy come alive. If this temple amazed you, hit like, share with fellow explorers or devotees and subscribe to uncover more hidden spiritual wonders of Bharat. Which rare temple should we explore next? Tell us in the comments.